My name is Alonso Perez. I am 20 years old. I live with my parents in Copacabana. I study in economics career in the National Open and Distance University. I am in fifth semester. I like to play and watch soccer and listen music. We are three people in family. They are my mother, my father, and me. My mother is Lucia. Her eyes are brown and her hair is black. She is 60 years old and she is housewife. My father is Leon. His eyes are brown and his hair is black. He is 70 years old and he is farmer. Thank you very much for attention.